मत बांधो मुझे इन जिम्मेदारियों में, मुझे हदें पार करनी है। हसरत भी एक है, फितरत भी। मैं तो घुमक्कड़ हूँ यारो, मुझे सरहदें पार करनी है। Hello.
Yo, Anand, what's up?
Yeah, Abhinav, I know there's a lot of work going on in the office right now, but I seriously don't feel like coming there. Suggest me a nice location, no?
I know, Anand, you love mountains, bro. So why don't you head out to Mahabaleshwar? You will have good twisties, nice landscape at your disposal to enjoy the ride as well.
Arey Anand bro, listen. Why don't you take the coastal route to Goa?
I wanted some clarity, guys.
There's nothing that matches the landscape and serene beaches of the west coast here.
What is there to see? Just the sea.
Bro, there's calming sound of the waves, the sunset,
There is a
the
work
golden
lined up
hour.
over here. He needs
Bro,
to come back
there
here.
will always be work.
But this time it's more important.
Fine, I'll see myself.
Anand, listen. He hung up the call, yaar.
When the voices inside your head are loud and the people and their arguments louder, the best thing to do is just head out there.
And that is exactly what I did. And as the road trip ritual goes, I couldn't have missed to watch this gorgeous sunrise before I kickstart my escape. And the destination? Well, we don't have one. You're looking at the wrong person and the wrong motorcycle for that information. Because we are out here to scramble. So let's just scram all the plans because scrambling is all about fun. But before we do that, I'm just going to sit here for a while and enjoy my chai and pakoda.
The mood was set. We wanted to dance a bit in our backyard before deciding the course of the day. Having tasted some corners, we were hungry for more. And then it began, the fast sprint towards Mahabaleshwar.
Personally speaking, the ride towards a particular mountain range has always been special to me. So be it Aravali's, Sahyadris or Himalayas for that matter, it has always resulted in fast highway sprints because of the anticipation of riding in the mountains, and today was no different. When you let loose 40 odd horses out on wide open roads, the sceneries, they become a mere blur. And that is exactly what happened today. Now what supported the carnage is that particular windshield, which comes as an official accessory by Triumph Motorcycles for the Scrambler 400X. And what also supported the cause apart from the windshield is that potent engine and comfortable riding ergonomics. Together, they make this a proper mile-munching weapon.
It didn't hurt that the Scrambler also looked gorgeous, a true blue modern classic. Here's a fun fact. Triumph Motorcycles gave the world's very first production spec Scrambler, so trust them to make a good Scrambler. I had to rush things though, because the mountains were calling, and that was one call I didn't want to miss. We ditched the main route and weaved through quaint villages, and by the time we reached Mahabaleshwar, Mother Nature had already put on a great show. Despite being silent, mountains have a way to tell you things. You feel humbled yet alive at the same time. The screams of the world get lost in the silences of Mother Nature. And then it comes, a furry friend to make the morning in the mountains even more surreal. Having said goodbye to my dear friend, I met another on the road. He had no fur, but a lot of berries.
The same strawberry gentleman suggested me to take the Amben Ali Ghat route when I asked him that I wanted to see the best of Sahyadris. And the old man delivered. Now before we enjoy the curves which I can see from here, I just want to take these majestic views in. That's the thing about mountains, no? When the sun sets, they become even more formidable, sort of scary. But in the morning, the sort of energy that you can extract out of these mountains is better than a freaking crate of Red Bull. And I'm going to channelize the same energy in negotiating those curves. Wait a second.
To be a little carefree is a crime in the world that we live in, but we were ready to commit some crimes. We came here to dance, and dance we did.
You stay inside most of the time, but you don't see into my mind. Why don't you come outside and see what it's like? I think you'll find that the weather.
The trance that we were in made me forget about the vistas, but then
The views are downright surreal. I mean, there's a whole cliff over there. One can see the entire Sahyadri range. And I believe this is where it makes the most sense. This is where life makes the most sense. This is where the hustle behind the desk makes the most sense. And there's one thing for sure, if you're heading out in the mountains, things are bound to be uncertain. The terrain, it is bound to be uncertain. You actually need a motorcycle that can do it all, that can take corners, that can take rough surfaces under its ride, that has enough performance on offer, and not to forget safety as well. I consider myself blessed that I have the Scrambler at my disposal. When you're riding in the mountains, everything else fades away. We became one, me and the Scrambler, and we flowed with the mountains. At one point, we felt like we could do this for our entire lives. But then, the fickle mind, it started having a war. I was already out here and had already kicked my responsibilities in the gut. So what was stopping me to take the coastal route as well? वो पूछे मेरा काम तो कह देना नाकारा है, वो पूछे मेरा नाम तो कह देना बंजारा है. ये रास्ता भी मेरा, ये मंजिल भी मेरी, ये रंग भी मेरा और ये सिकंदर भी मेरा. मैं क्यों फंसूं दुनिया के इन सवालों में, मैं तो मुसाफिर हूँ. ये पहाड़ भी मेरा और ये समंदर भी मेरा. Out of all the colors that I'd witnessed during this trip, the orange hue splattered over the Arabian Sea became my favorite. What was unfolding in front of my eyes invoked the romantic in me, and that made me realize this Scrambler 400X, it isn't just purposeful, but gorgeous as well. With its attention to detail, it surely looked like a warrior queen to me, and I could tell the journey was far from over. I've been listening to these crashing waves for the past 10 minutes or so. It is a hypnotic experience which sends you in a mode of trance. Nevertheless, today we are going to settle the perennial argument between beaches versus mountains. What is better? With the euphoria of riding in the mountains still fresh in my mind, I believe that at the end of the day, we'll have an answer.
I was lost in a good way. Who would come searching for me anyway? It wasn't like I wanted to be found. The roads were screaming our name. The sea also accompanied, revealing itself once in a while. We wanted to be on the move, but rest for a while too. Lucky for me, I was right in the middle of Konkan area, famous for its delectable cuisine. But then, riding on the back roads of Maharashtra had such an effect that we couldn't help but dancing again. Whatever the roads demanded, the scrambler complied. It moved like shadows amidst canopies. We had a lot of fun carving our way through the gorgeous coastal route, which was filled with surprises, keeping us occupied and rewarding us with great landscapes every once in a while.
Although we have already seen many great landscapes throughout this road trip, but what I'm about to show you guys can be termed as Pacific Coast Highway Konkan Edition. You gotta wait for it, and there it is. Such amazing landscape. I wouldn't mind paying toll for a motorcycle for this particular road. What the second leg of this road trip, the coastal route, has established about the Scrambler 400X is that it is extremely tractable. I had witnessed many winding uphills during the coastal route, and when I looked down on many occasions of motorcycle, it was in third or fourth gear. And that is pretty impressive, and that is exactly what you need when you're negotiating such terrains. Low and mid-range grunt is going to save your day. What was also highlighted during the coastal leg of this impromptu road trip is the suspension setup of the Scrambler 400X, which is absolutely phenomenal.
It strikes a finer balance between yin and yang, be it dealing with bad roads or smooth corners right after it. The Scrambler was game for it all the time. Enough talks. Although we weren't following the clock, we were running out of time because I knew just the place to culminate this journey, and the sun was racing towards the horizon.
I got a taste for the hustle, hustle, flying. I can feel my feet on the ground. I'm going higher and higher. Ooh,
I couldn't have thought of a better place to end this road trip, where the Arabian Sea meets the Sahyadris. Now that we have ridden alongside the Arabian Sea and ridden amidst Sahyadris, it is safe to conclude that the argument between beaches and mountains, it is absolutely baseless. For wanderers like you and me, we aren't beach persons, we aren't mountain persons, we are scramblers, carefree, relentless, hungry for gorgeous landscapes like this. We just want to seek what's out there, and that brings us to the motorcycle. When you are on an expedition like this with varying landscapes and terrains, you need a motorcycle that enables you. You need a motorcycle that gives you an upper hand over external elements, and that is where the Triumph Scrambler 400X has made me fall in love with it. It has complied legit with everything that the situation demanded, and it was happy doing that like a little puppy. On that note, it is a humble request to you that if you come to gorgeous places like these, keep them clean, because these are nature's masterpieces.